Hi, are you tired of constantly snipping out the charts or the dashboard and pasting them onto the PowerPoint? What if I'm going to share with you a game changing alternative? Imagine your dashboard, fully interactive, being able to connect to your PowerPoint, ready to bring your data storytelling to the next level. Today I'm going to share with you how could we actually make this happen in a few minutes, so stay tuned. We are now going to show you 5 magical tricks. How do you turn your interactive charts into PowerPoint? To do so, go to the button called Publish, and this shows that this report will be published online in Power BI service. Click upon it and it's going to save it onto Power BI service as well. Look for the word called My Workspace. So this is like a sandbox for you to be able to do data manipulation. So everyone will have your own workspace as long as you own an email from your company. Once you see the word called Success, you are now ready to click upon the file. You are right now at Power BI service, and to export into PowerPoint, look for the word called Export. Go to PowerPoint, Embed Live Data. Open in PowerPoint. We have successfully connected our Power BI dashboard to Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's witness the magic unfold. As you can see, the interactivity of your charts in Power BI is now seamlessly integrated into your PowerPoint slides. This means you're not just presenting static images, you're also bringing the data to life. Let's test it out. When I hover over the charts, notice how the colors and the lines change, just as they are in Power BI. The interactivity adds a dynamic layer to your presentation, allowing you to engage your audience in real time. You can also deep dive into some of the data specific and be able to highlight the trends and address questions on the fly without leaving your PowerPoint slides. Are you now ready for your bonus track? At your PowerPoint, you would see this icon, click on it, and you will see the word called Data Insights. If you click, Power BI has artificial intelligence that could actually analyze your data and come up with commands to captivate your audience. You may want to paste on it and review it later. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to actually shift the chart to two-thirds, leaving one-third for the command spots. And I'm going to call this insights. You may also review it, and if you're happy, you can actually delete the footer, and you may also hide the footer. To make your presentation more captivating, you can also change the title or customize it, and you could also change the icon. You may insert an image just as your typical PowerPoint slides. And you're now ready for your data storytelling to rock your stakeholders. So all the best to you to your next presentation, and hope you enjoy this combination of Power BI with PowerPoint. See you in the next lesson. Hope you have enjoyed the learning. At this point, I would like to invite you to attend an exclusive masterclass on how do you create visualization in 10 minutes using Power BI. At the end, you will also receive a course preview invite from myself to actually attend a launch on a course called Unlocking the Capabilities of Data Visualization using Power BI. You'll be conducted by myself. Hope to have your support. See you there.